Okay, in this video today, we're going to show you how to repair a broken motorcycle frame. It's fairly common on dirt bikes to flip over and break the back of your frame. When we purchased this motorcycle, the guy told us that he broke this from strapping it down too hard, which I don't really believe, but that is what he told us. So here we go. We're going to fix this frame. We're going to show you how we do it.
I didn't think about the fact that I just didn't think about the fact that.
Okay, as you can see in the video before, it was back here. Got that put back together. And over here. Pretty Weld ever, but pretty solid. There you go. And then this piece here will still straighten this later on. I'm going to heat this up and try to get that straightened up a little bit. Okay, so here we are. You can see the frame there. So the frame is all welded, pretty straight. Ready to get some paint on these welds and get the bike back together. That way we can start riding. Also, if this video was helpful, do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel because we're going to have a lot more like it. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a good night.